Hi friends, Roxanne here. I want to tell you, oh my gosh, don't do what I did. So let me tell you what I did. Yesterday I had put my Dorland's wax, coated my surface, and I'm buffing away. And I looked down and I realized whatever I've done, I have like gouged into it. And this is the watercolor painting on Claybord that I had done. And, I have been using this for 8 years. I've used this on watercolor paper mounted on panels. I've used it on ambersands, aquaboard. And then this was a new piece of Claybord. And I'm wondering, oh my gosh, is the Claybord more fragile? Or what's going on? Because now I'm buffing into this and I realize I've just gouged up a piece of paint. And I'm thinking, and I had put a spray coat of Camar varnish on it. I had used my wax like I've done for years. And I'm wondering, what on earth have I done? So in big dismay, I'm telling a friend of mine who loves this product. And she's like, don't give up on it. Go back, see if you can fix it. Tell me what you did. And as I'm thinking about what I did, I realized I had put my wax on, I had applied it, and I had started buffing right away. And normally what you do is you have to wait 24 to 48 hours for this stuff to dry before you go back in and start buffing it. And, I just had one of those moments, even though, I've used this for more than 8 years, and I had a moment where just la la la, squirrels and puppies, just obviously in La La Land. Well, I'm back. So I did try and repair it, like my friend said, and it actually came out fine. It was in here, it was this beautiful little passage from the black into the red, and just like my friend said, yeah, you can repair it. It's going to be okay. So I'm going to revarnish it. I'll let you know how that goes. But just wanted to say you can be doing something fine for years and years and feel really confident about what you're doing. And then in a moment's lapse of La La Land, totally screw something up. But luckily, I'm finding this Claybord is fixable. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, just thought I'd share that little crazy life lesson in case you get stuck around the learning curve and feel like you're really in a jam. Maybe you're not. Okay, have a good evening. Bye.